not going to have a very heavy makeup look or like very shiny look that we usually do for night functions, but because it is a day function, it is going to be very subtle. And for this makeup look, we are just going to use a compact powder and my lip balm. So if you want to see a very simple makeup look, you can continue watching this video. हेलो माय लवली व्यूअर्स एंड माय लॉयल सब्सक्राइबर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड मैं हूं आपकी अपनी बनिया गर्ल। आज की वीडियो होने वाली है एक बहुत ही शॉर्ट सिंपल गेट रेडी विद मी वीडियो। आई हैव ऑलरेडी worn the outfit of the day. I will insert a picture here and the makeup look is going to be extremely simple. मैं एक गृह प्रवेश के फंक्शन के लिए तैयार हो रही हूँ और क्योंकि ये घर का ही फंक्शन है तो it is going to be a very simple look. आपने मेरा आउटफिट देख लिया है. It is a green anarkali with a very pretty print and it looks like a batik print, and we are going to create a very simple makeup look with this outfit today. I am going to use Maybelline Fit Me ka compact powder to powder my face and give a little lesser oily look. You can also use a kabuki brush for this for a better application and a quicker one. And advantage of using a kabuki brush is it gives you a look of foundation. You don't need to apply foundation. It will look like foundation. And now for the final touch, I am going to use my ultra choice of my lip balm. For those who have been following me and my channel closely knows me that I don't really use lipsticks. I prefer tinted lip balms. Today I'm going to use this Lakme one. The best part about having tinted lip balms in your makeup kit is you can use them as eyeshadows if needed, as a blush if it is needed. So it's like a one product makeup look you can do with a single tinted lip balm. That's why I just love having tinted lip balms in my makeup vanity. And if I am glowing today is because I have used Ozone's D-Tanning Kit, and in this kit you get 4 products. First one is the Ozone D-Tan Face Wash. Second product is Ozone D-Tanning Scrub. Third one is Ozone D-Tanning Facepack. And lastly, you also get Ozone Glow4sure Sunscreen Lotion with SPF 30++. And I am in love with these 2 products, especially the face wash and the sunscreen. Why? Because this face wash works very well to remove all the impurities from my skin, and the sunscreen gives you such a nice glow, people. You just need this tiny bit of amount. Let me show you. And it will give you such a nice glow. See, just this much for the entire face. ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया because I have already applied it, but I will apply it on my hand and show it to you. It doesn't leave a white cast. It gives you a very subtle moisturized glow, and you start glowing. You see this? I have just applied this sunscreen only. Can you see this? This is my normal dress and this is the one with the sunscreen. Right? So it gives you a really nice moisturized protection with sun. So as I said in the very beginning of this video, this was going to be very simple makeup look, and this is the final look with just compact and the tinted lip balm that I usually use. And I have also shared my recent favorite D-Tanning Kit with you that belongs to Ozone. You can check more details in the description below. Also, please, before using the kit, please do a patch test, because the face pack that when I used it, didn't work for my skin well. I was having very burning sensations, so I removed it pretty quickly. So just in case, please do a patch test, because it could be I was having breakouts on my skin, so that could be one cause. And so I'm just giving this as a disclaimer. So please check these products out. But definitely, all the people with oily skin that are looking for a face wash to remove all the oil, you can definitely check out their face wash, the D-Tanning face wash. It gives you a very, very clear skin. And of course, the sunscreen. If you are someone who is looking for a sunscreen, जिसमें less product में बहुत अच्छा काम हो, then you can definitely check this out. So with this, I will end this video. प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा. आई विल लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू योर कमेंट्स बिकॉज वही है जो मुझे और वीडियोस बनाने के लिए एनकरेज करते हैं. तो चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय बाय, टेक केयर. ओके, सॉरी.